It's another hot day, and I've stocked up on this stuff. I love this Lipton Georgia style iced tea, the peach flavor. Man, this is good stuff. Whenever I'm hot and sweaty and I get a bottle of that, really, really refreshing. But I also got the bottled water. And of course I got some Fresca. I like the grapefruit citrus. It's really good stuff. I got a few cold ones in there. I'm getting ready to throw some of these down in there too. And I got some waters in there already cold. And what I like to do is I like to put that lemon juice in my water. Kind of really helps. It's already a hot day today, and I'm down here on the 3rd floor, and I got two dirt daubers flying around in here, and they're trying to make themselves a home. Dirt daubers are okay. They're a type of wasp that they build their nest with little globs of dirt, but they don't normally bother you. They just go about their business, so I ain't worried about them. Around here, what I worry about are the yellow jackets and the big red wasp, because the yellow jackets and the big red wasp they sting you, man. They got you. It hurts bad. Anyway, I've got wasp spray. I've got other types of bug spray here if I need it. I think what I'm going to do tomorrow maybe is I'm going to bring up an air conditioner, put it in one of these windows, because I really, really, really need some air conditioning up here. Once I get the air conditioning in here, I'm thinking about putting it in this window right here where this fan is. Just mount the air conditioner here, and that way this big room that I'm in here, of course I got a bunch of junk in it now, but this big room here will be pretty much kept really, really nice. And of course into the hallway here too. And I've got another little air conditioner. It's the one that's over at the studio. I'm going to mount that one here in this window, and that way I got one on a north facing window and one on a south facing window, and that way hopefully it'll keep it nice and comfortable in here. I don't have any central heat in there. Of course, when this building was built, and since then nobody saw any need or sense to put in central heat and air. But what I'm looking at in the future is having the place renovated to where it's comfortable, where we could use this up here as a nice apartment, have a bathroom built in, nice little kitchen, nice little shower area, and maybe even a central heat and air. Whew. Who knows? I've got a lot of investigating to do in this building. I still got work to do down way in the underground to support the structure. Well, not the actual structure itself. This 3rd floor and the main structure of the building seems to be pretty sound, but the supports underneath for the 1st floor is what I need to work on. And eventually, I don't know when it's going to happen, but I'm going to tear out all of that main 1st floor, get out all that old wood, dig out the basement, or well, the underneath, and turn it into a basement, shore up the footing, all that good stuff. Put in a sump pump, everything down underneath, and have it all really nice concrete walls, floors, have all new plumbing put in, have that first floor be steel and concrete, flat all the way from front to back and side to side. And then that polished concrete for the main floor be polished, beautiful stained concrete. That's my idea. That's my vision, I guess you could say, for this building. Whew. I think it's time for one of these Lipton iced teas. What do you think? Maybe some Gatorade. Yeah, I'll get me some. Probably Gatorade. All right. I'll talk to you later. And remember to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up. Make some comments about the projects and what I'm doing. If you see anything that you believe that I could do differently and it actually turn out better for me in the long run, let me know, because I've got a lot on my mind and I may overlook a few things. So anyway, talk to you later. Whew, it's hot up here already.